Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Lulua Tech Designs, and I'm your boy, Lulua Mark. In the last video, I showed you how to start a new project in ArchiCAD, and we used ArchiCAD 29. So today I want to show you how to set up stories in ArchiCAD, and from here we shall progress into doing a new complete project. But for now, we're going to learn how to set your story so that you should be able to have a ground where you start from. So without wasting a lot of time, we jump into ArchiCAD, and I'm using ArchiCAD 29 as you have always known. So basically, I showed you how to start a new project. So we're going to click on new. Yes, the interface is here. So this is where we're going to create our template. You click on this new button. Yes, our ArchiCAD interface is here. So if you want to set your stories, you basically come to this project map. This part that says project map, let me close this. This part here that says project map, and you'll see stories here. If you don't see project map here, you should be able to look for that, and when you get it, that's where you'll find stories. So you have already seen there's ground floor, story 1, and story 2. So what we need to do is to customize these stories according to our preference. So basically, what you can do here, you right click on any of the stories, ground floor 1 or 2. So I'll just right click on the ground. You scroll all the way down here where you can find story settings. You click on the story settings, and from here you can now be able to rename and change the elevations. For example, they have already given us the ground floor by default. I'll leave it at that. Up here you can say first floor. Yes, like that. You can just go to the next. You can say second floor, just like that. Then if you want to have a different floor-to-floor height elevations, I mean floor-to-floor height, for example, this one, they have given us 3 meters. Let's say I want to change mine to 3.5. You can change here, 3.5. And then this goes to 7 meters. And then if I want to create another level here, I have these buttons: insert above, insert below, delete story. So if I want to insert below the ground, I'll have to be at the ground level. You see this blue highlight shows that you are now at this level. So here I can say insert below. It will insert another one down here. So I can say foundation. Then I can change the height, just like that. So now you can see our story set up. Our elevations starting from 0. Of course, foundation is always below the ground level, so it is in negatives. And then ground floor is at 0. Then from there, you can go upwards. So this usually shows the height level from the first, or from one ground to another. So here they usually put this automatically after seeing what you have given here. So you can see here the ground floor to the first floor is 3.5 as shown here. This 3 meters is only shown because we don't have another elevation after this. If we create another elevation after this and they will give it another level of this amount, then that one will also change. So this is how this thing works. This is how you can set up your elevations for your stories. I keep saying elevation, but of course you can also call it story settings. Once you're done with these story settings, you just click OK. Then here you'll see the names of the stories have changed. We now have foundation, ground floor, first floor, and second floor. So basically that is how you can change the stories in ArchiCAD, and you start designing according to your stories. So yeah, if you found this video useful, please make sure you subscribe to Lulua Tech Designs, and I'll see you again in our first project. We're going to do a project in ArchiCAD, and it is going to be a nice one. So I hope to see you there. Thank you.